Hey, Dr. Drainage here. Today we're going to tell you about the NDS 6-inch round valve boxes. The lids twist lock to keep them in place and have reinforcing under ribs to support a riding lawnmower. They come in a variety of colors: black, green, sand, and purple for reclaimed water, and also a variety of markings. The boxes themselves have reinforcing ribs to keep them sturdy after installation, a large bottom flange to prevent them from sinking into the ground after installation, and reinforced mouse holes so you don't have to cut your boxes after installing them. This is the NDS 6-inch round valve box. To learn more about our valve boxes and other NDS products, visit our website at ndspro.com. I'm Dr. Drainage. Talk to you later.